or a, the as a job.
Hmm.
People should take recruitment seriously.
Yes.
Do you think it's a global platform now to have that sort of exposure where people already have not seen it prior? And do you think this is going to change, like, the prospect towards the Gen Zs as well when they choose their career as?
So, now not only highlight the Gen Zs here, but आज की generation में technology इतनी बढ़ गई है that everyone wants the easy solution which are available and without any hesitation. Why machine learning and AI is taking place? क्योंकि you are commanding, right? You are giving the prompts to the system and you are getting the answers. जिसमें human humans का contribution ही नहीं है. But you have to understand that AI and even machine learning have been developed by the humans.
Yeah.
So who's smart? The machines or the humans? That is one factor of it. Okay. The second factor of this is when you apply your own mind, right? कि कैसे हम लोग एम्प्लॉय एंगेजमेंट कर सकते हैं, कैसे हम लोग एम्प्लॉय को परफॉर्मेंस मैनेज कर सकते हैं, कौन से पैरामीटर्स हो सकते हैं. ये अगर आप खुद का दिमाग चला रहे हो ना, तो आपकी भी एज अ पर्सन ग्रोथ होती है, बिकॉज यू आर गिविंग द कमांड्स टू योर ओन माइंड, योर ब्रेन, कि भाई चलिए ये रिजॉल्व करते हैं. अगेन जैसे मैंने पहले बोला, इफ यू आर जस्ट गेटिंग द इजीएस्ट सॉल्यूशंस इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, तो क्या ही हो जाएगा. सो परफेक्शनिज्म मत चेज करना.
ओके.
एंड द लास्ट पॉइंट ऑफ दिस इज कि अगर जेनजीज, अगर मैं बोलूँ, जेनजीज आर स्मार्ट यार, दे आर मोर क्रिएटिव. अगर आप उनका वीडियो एडिटिंग देखो, उनका ग्राफिक्स देखो, the way they speak with the different people,
they are more advanced.
Exactly.
The people
जो हमारे टाइम पे
नहीं थे. That's what I wanted to highlight this thing, like, from a very long period of time. Like, I've been talking to a lot of my HR friends as well. It is not about what they are or, what the mindset is. It's about the knowledge they try to gain. They have that hunger in them to know the technology is better, and somewhere they utilize into a good manner, some do it utilize it into the other manner.